Hi, Roy Williams with Airframe Components, and welcome back to the long-delayed and long-anticipated Episode 5 of the Cessna 185 Skywagon Restoration Project. In Episode 4, of course, we saw the aircraft sitting on the ground without the landing gear installed. The engine was not installed. We were getting the engine built up at that time. After we put everything together, had the aircraft assembled, we test flew it. We had some issues. I'm not going to mention anybody by name, but I sure would not fly with this particular accessory on my aircraft again. We had to pull the engine back off, take it back to our friends at Poplar Grove Airmotive, have it gone through a second time, and now we have the aircraft fully assembled and flown. You can see here we have the color-matched engine mount and color-matched propeller tips that will go along with the final paint scheme of the aircraft. We have the stock IO520D engine installed, the Hartzell Voyager propeller, of course, all new Acorn exhaust, and then we have the Airforms baffle, all brand new hoses, and of course then all the wiring for the probes for the EGT, cylinder head, and engine preheat as well. We have the titanium landing gear all the way around, both mains and tail, all brand new wheels, brakes, tires from our friends at Landing Gear Works out in Washington. We have the LP Aeroplastics glass installed all the way around. We have the solar gray UV glass installed by our friend Jim Balgone at Jim's Aviation up here in Michigan. We went with the one-piece windshield on here. On the side windows, we did a little trick I saw on a 206 down at Van Bortle in Texas, one of their aircraft in inventory. Did a trim line around the perimeter of the side windows. What a great detail it is to hide insulation and interior parts as well. We've also included all Whelen LED lighting on the aircraft as well. Landing lights, beacons, and nav and strobe lights. One addition we did to this aircraft is put landing lights in the wings of the aircraft, both left and right, like the new style Cessna 182s and 206s. We did wigwags in both left and right wings, as well as the cowling, so this aircraft will be very well seen in the landing pattern. Once we got the aircraft back together and test flown the second time, it was time to deliver the aircraft to our friends at Tom Wood Avionics in Anderson, Indiana. As you know, I like to take the aircraft with bare bones, no interior installed, only one seat in there. Want to make this as easy as possible for them to get in there and access the interior of the aircraft for the installation of the Garmin glass panel. We'd worked with the crew at Tom Wood Avionics before, and I was very happy with their work, so we decided that would be a good place for this installation project. The Garmin panel suite includes the Garmin G500 multifunction display, the Garmin 750 and 650 GPS displays, and then a small Garmin G3 in vertical orientation. We also included the GFC 500 autopilot, as well as the GI 275 display on this. We maintained the old King radar altimeter that was included in the original panel, but as long as it was installed in the aircraft, we left that on the panel. We also included the Safe Flight angle of attack display as well, which includes a vane over in the right wing of the aircraft. This is the same setup that is used on the new Cessna 172s and 182 aircraft as well. One other little trick detail that the crew at Tom Wood Avionics included was color-matched switches and glare shield lighting to include the green lights to match the trim colors of the aircraft. Once we received the aircraft back from Avionics, then it was time to bring it to Sturgis, Michigan, to our corporate hangar here for disassembly in preparation for paint. As you can see, we've removed the complete empennage of the aircraft, as well as the flaps, the ailerons, the wing tips, all the fairings, and get this ready for masking in preparation for paint. That's it for today's episode. Thanks for bearing with us in the last 2 years as we've gotten to this point right now. Now that the aircraft is broken down, we'll be ready to take it over to Sturgis Aviation for the application of the exterior paint.